Now I am going to begin. आवाज आ रही है? So see here. Now you see binomial expansion. Yesterday I have told something about the binomial expansion. Binomial expansion के बारे में कुछ हमने बताया था पिछले का. So I will proceed from there only. So see here, what is binomial expansion means? It is the expansion of a polynomial consisting two terms. Expansion of a polynomial consisting two terms. It's clear. Now what will be x plus a whole to the power n? There will be how many terms? So there will be total n plus 1 terms. Total n plus 1 terms. As you know that in a plus b whole square, power is 2, there are how many terms? 3 terms. A plus b whole cube, power is 3, there will be how many terms? 4 terms. So here power is n, there will be how many terms? Terms will be n plus 1. It's clear. There will be n plus 1 terms. It's clear. Now see here. Now x plus a whole to the power n. So it will be equals to x to the power n plus n into n minus 1, 2 into 1, a into x to the power n minus 1 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3, 2, 1 into a square. Here it will be, I am writing here. Let me write here only. It will be a square into x to the power n minus 2. Okay. Plus and so on. Plus and so on. Here you will find that the power of a will increase while power of x will decrease. It will be a to the power n. There will be this much number of terms. So see here, now we can write one more expansion, 1 plus x whole to the power n. If you write this expansion with the help of this expansion with the help of this, इस expansion को इसकी help से, it's clear. So what will you get? You will get this 1 plus nx plus n in nx into n minus 1, 2 into 1 into x square plus and so on plus x to the power n. When you write this expansion 1 plus x whole to the power n with the help of this, you will get this. It's clear. Here, have you seen this? You will get this. Now see here. Here you can see that x, here this is x and this is, here you can see that the powers of x are increasing. x की पावर्स क्या हो रही है, इंक्रीज हो रही है। तो अगर क्या है, इफ x इज स्मॉलर देन 1, suppose x is smaller than 1, you take x equals to 0.01, that is 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2. What will you find? You will find that the terms of x square will become 10 to the power minus 4, x cube will become 10 to the power minus 6, x to the power 4 will become 10 to the power minus 8. Means if x is smaller than 1, then higher powers of term, the terms containing higher powers of x will become more and more smaller. All of you remember this thing. If x is smaller than 1, then the terms containing higher powers of x will become more and more smaller. That will become more and more smaller. वो और स्मॉलर हो जाएगी, ऐसे में उनकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, और स्मॉलर होती जाएगी। Therefore those terms can be neglected. कब? जब x की वैल्यू लेस देन 1 हो। In that case we can neglect the higher powers of x. It is clear? Now you can see here. Therefore 1 plus x whole to the power n equals to 1 plus nx when x is less than 1. X is less than 1. Here there is a slight correction. You can make one correction here. Here x to the power n plus n into a into x to the power n minus 1. Then it is n minus 2. Here it is n minus 3. So like that you can do. This is a square. This is a cube. So we are more concerned with this. 1 plus x whole to the power n equals to 1 plus nx when x is much smaller than 1. Now this result will be applicable. It will be applicable whether n is a positive fraction or n is a negative fraction, or it is a positive integer or it is a negative integer. This you will remember. This will be valid either x belongs to positive integer or it belongs to a negative integer, or it is a positive fraction or it is a negative fraction. In every case it will be valid. हर एक केस में ये valid होगा. Whether power is 5/3 or -5/3. For example, I am telling you one. Suppose 1 plus x whole to the power 4, and here it is given that x is smaller than 1. So approximately its value will be equal to what? 1 plus nx. What is n here? N is 4. 1 plus 4x. Approximately its value will be 1 plus 4x. So whether it is clear? This thing is clear or not? Now see here. After this, we will see the function trigonometry. First you see in trigonometry. Trigonometry. You know some of the formulae, you know. For example, sin 90 minus theta, it is equal to cos theta. cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. Similarly, sin 90 plus theta, it is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 plus theta, here it is minus. Cos 90 plus theta, it will be minus sin theta. So in trigonometry, usually you see here it is a plane which is divided into 4 quadrants by these two perpendicular axes. Angle is always measured from the positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. Angle is always measured from the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. This is positive direction, this is negative. It's clear? And here this is the positive direction of y-axis and this is negative. You can see here, if you keep the pen this way, so what will be the anti-clockwise direction? Anti-clockwise direction will be this. This will be, it is moving, this pen is moving in what direction? It is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. Whether it is clear? It is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. So you will start measuring the angle from here. This is 0 degree. This line is here 0. When pen is kept like this, it makes what angle? It makes 0 degree angle. But when the pen is kept like this, it is making what angle? Who can tell? Elisa. Elisa. Can you tell?
$90.
90 degrees. It will be 90. It's clear?
Yes.
When it is kept in this way, what is the angle?
180.
180 degree. It's clear? Means this is the 90 degree. Then this is 180 degree. When pen is kept like this, what is the angle? You can see here. What will be the angle? Angle will be this.
270.
270.
270 degree. And then it is 360 degree. It's clear? These are the 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the 4th quadrant. There are how many trigonometric ratios? Who can tell? How many trigonometric ratios? Sin
6.
theta,
6.
cos theta, tan theta, and then 3 are its reciprocal. Cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. These are the 3 reciprocals. So all of you remember one thing, in the first quadrant, value of, in the first quadrant there will be which angles? Angles will be in between 0 to 90 degree. It will be in between 0 to 90 degree in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, angle will be in between 0 to 90 degree. So all the trigonometric ratios in the first quadrant are positive. All the trigonometric ratios in the first quadrant are positive. It's clear? While in the second quadrant, only sine and cosec. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine, that you know. Sine theta and cosec theta is positive. Remaining all are negative. Remaining all are negative. In the third quadrant, tan theta and its reciprocal is what?
Cot theta.
Cot theta.
Theta. These are positive. It's clear? And in the fourth quadrant, cos theta and sec theta. These are positive, remaining all are negative. Remaining all are negative. It's clear? Now see here, how will you
Sir,
remember
first में
this?
क्या था?
Yes. What
सर
are you
फर्स्ट
saying?
क्वाड्रेंट में कौन सा पॉजिटिव है?
Sabhi, all. In the first quadrant, all are positive. How will you remember this? ASTC. ASTC. A means all, S means sign. तो sign है तो cosec होगा. It's clear? T means tan. Tan है तो cot होगा. C means cos and cos है तो sec भी होगा. Whether it is clear? This thing
Yes,
is clear
sir.
or not? Now
Yes,
see
sir.
here. Now I am asking one question. Cos 120 degree, whether its value will be positive or negative.
Sir, negative.
Why it will be negative?
It is in third quadrant.
Because
It is
this
in
angle comes in which quadrant?
Second
In the-
quadrant.
Second quadrant.
In the second quadrant. It's clear. That's why it is negative. Acha. Sin 85 degree, it will be positive or negative.
Positive.
Positive.
Because it comes in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all are positive. Sin 300 degree, whether it is positive or negative.
Negative.
Why?
Negative,
Negative.
Why?
sir, because it comes in fourth
is
quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
In the fourth quadrant. It comes in the fourth quadrant. It's clear? Now see here. In trigonometry, we express the angles in following way. Either 90 plus minus theta or 180 plus minus theta. 90 and 190 plus minus theta, 180 plus minus theta. 270 plus minus theta and 360 plus minus theta. 90 degree plus minus theta. 180 degree plus minus theta. 270 degree plus minus theta and 360 degree plus minus theta. Now you can see here, what does it mean? This is 0, 90, 180, 270, and this is 360. It's clear? You can see here, this line is 90 plus minus theta, 270 plus minus theta. It's clear? What does it mean? मतलब अगर इस लाइन से हम किधर जाएं, इस तरफ चले जाएं, angle will be 90 plus theta. It's clear? And if you go in this side, from y-axis, if you go in this side, angle will be 90 minus theta. Whether it is clear? This angle which we will express here, that will be what? It will be 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. And what will be theta here? Theta will become this. Similarly, this angle is 270 degree. If you are keeping the pen this way, and अगर हमको यहाँ से define करना हो, it will be 270 minus theta, and it will be 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta will come in the fourth quadrant. 270 minus theta will come in the third quadrant. 90 plus theta will be in the second quadrant, and 90 minus theta will be in the first quadrant. Similarly, this you can write 180 plus minus theta and 360 plus minus theta. Now you tell me, 180 plus theta, it will be in which quadrant?
The
The
third.
quadrant.
Third.
And 180 minus theta,
Second.
Second.
it will be in second. 360 plus theta.
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
360 plus theta will be in the first quadrant. This कैसे 360 तो यहाँ तक complete हो गया, अब 3 मतलब 400 degree. 400 degree it will come in the first quadrant. How much will be the 400 degree? ये 360 complete हुआ, ये 400. It is clear? This will be the 400 degree. It is clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
all of you remember this thing. अगर हम y axis देखेंगे, on y axis you will remember one thing. On y axis there will be what type of angle? 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta. If the angles are like this, then sine changes into cos. Cos changes into sine. Sine cos में change होगा तो cos किसमें? Sine. Tan will change into cot, and cot will change into tan. Tan will change into cot, and cot will change into tan. Sec will change into cosec, and cosec will change into sec. All of you remember this thing. If the angles are like this, तो उनका साइन किसमें चेंज हो जाएगा? cos में. cos किसमें चेंज हो जाएगा? साइन में. tan किसमें चेंज हो जाएगा? cot में. cot किसमें चेंज होगा? tan में. sec will change into cosec, cosec will change into sec. Now you can see here. Suppose, and how will you determine the sign? Sign you will determine by this thing. यहाँ सभी पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ केवल कौन सा पॉजिटिव है? साइन एंड कोसेक. Here which one is positive? Tan and cot. And here which one is positive? Cos and sec. Now I am taking the angles and then to tell. Sin 90 plus theta. First you see the sign. पहले क्या चीज देखेंगे कि साइन क्या है? प्लस है ये माइनस इसका वैल्यू बताओ. Sin 90
positive.
It is in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant sin is positive. Sin is positive. It is clear? और इस एंगल पर साइन किसमें चेंज होता है?
Cos.
It will be cos. It will be cos. Clear? Now cos 90 plus theta. What will be its sign? First you see sign. Sign
Negative.
क्या होगा? Negative, because it is in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos is negative. Negative. It is clear? Now at this angle cos changes into what? Cos changes
Sine.
into sine. Means it will be minus sine theta. It is clear? Now you can see here tan 90 plus theta. Tan will be positive or negative here. Angle. This angle के लिए tan
Negative.
it will be negative. And tan changes into what?
Cot.
It will be equal to minus cot theta. Now see here. You see here. जब एंगल इस टाइप का हो 270 plus theta or 270 minus theta, you see here. Sin 270 minus theta. It will be in which quadrant? 270 minus theta.
Third quarter.
It will be in third quadrant. Third quadrant में sin positive है कि negative?
Negative.
In the third quadrant, only tan and cot is positive. Sin is negative. Sin is negative means its sign will be minus. और इस पर इस तरीके के एंगल पर साइन चेंजेज इनटू व्हाट?
Cos.
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 So it will be cos theta. Now, what will be sine 270 minus theta? Plus theta. 270 plus theta. It comes in what quadrant?
Fourth.
Fourth.
Quadrant.
The fourth quadrant.
Sine is negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative means the sine will be this. And at this type of angle, sine changes into cos. So it will be cos
Minus cos.
minus cos theta. Now you see here cos 270 minus theta. Who can tell cos 270 minus theta? 270 minus theta is in which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant.
Negative sin theta.
Negative sin theta.
Minus
Sin theta. Sin theta.
sin theta. And what will be cos 270 plus theta?
Sir, minus sin theta.
Fourth quadrant.
Minus sin theta. Fourth quadrant.
It is in the,
Fourth.
it is in which quadrant? Plus sin theta. Very good.
Fourth quadrant.
It is in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive. So this way you can find every. अब देख लो इसका यूज क्या है. हमको तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज कितने मालूम है? 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री and 90 degree. Only these trigonometric ratios you know. Suppose you have to determine cos 300 degree. So we can write it as cos 270 plus 30. Cos 270 plus 30. Now cos 270 plus theta equals to sin theta. What is theta here? What is theta? Who can tell?
So
All
30
the
degree.
time.
300.
30.
Not 300. 270 plus theta को इससे compare करो. What is theta? 30 degree. So it will be sin 30 degree. And what is sin 30 degree? 1
1
upon.
by 2.
आगे. Suppose you have to determine cos 225 degree. Cos 225 degree. Cos 225 degree you can write cos 270 minus 45. Cos 270 minus 45 into 225. 270 minus 45 into 225.
Sin 45.
So it will be like this. It will be equal to minus sin 45. Minus sin 45 means minus 1 upon. इन फार्मूलों का यूज क्या है? इस तरीके से फाइंड आउट करने में वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट कर ऐसे कर सकते हैं. We can find the values in this way. It's clear? Values can be found by this way. Whether it is clear? Now
Yes,
see
sir.
here. Wait for it. Yes. Now suppose if it is like this. Here already I have told this is 0 degree, 180. 90 degree, 270. On this line, if you are moving from x-axis, yes, angles will be, here it is 360 degree. On completing it will be 360. If angles are like this, 180 plus minus theta or 360 plus minus theta. Now 180 plus theta will be in which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
It will be the third quadrant. And 180 minus theta,
Second.
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 it will
Second
be in the
quadrant.
second quadrant. It's clear? Now see here, if angle is 360 plus theta,
Fourth quadrant.
First quadrant.
be in the
Quadrant. The first quadrant.
and 360 minus theta
Fourth
Fourth.
quadrant.
Quadrant.
will be in the fourth quadrant. It's clear? It will be in the fourth quadrant. Now see here, if the angles are like this, then there will be no change. Sine changes into sine. Cos changes into cos. Tan will change into tan. And same with the reciprocal. Cosec में, sec में, cot. Suppose there is sine 180 minus theta. First you determine the sine. हमने पहले ही बताया, पहले क्या देखना है? Sine देखना है. All STC. Cos sec, tan cot, sine cosec, all. What will be its sign? Plus होगा या minus?
Plus.
Positive. Why it will be positive? Because angle lies in the second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
It's clear? And at this angle there will be no change. It will be sine theta. What is cos 180 minus theta? First you determine the sign.
Negative.
Very good. And at this value, angle cos changes into cos. जो angle इस type का होता है, cos में ही change होता है. It is clear? Now you see tan 180 plus theta. Theta.
The positive.
Positive. And tan changes into tan only at this angle. इस तरीके के angle में tan changes into tan. It's clear? At this type of angle, tan changes into tan. Pradyum Sharma, have you any problem?
No,
Pradyum,
sir. No, sir.
don't. Now see here. This is, if you see here, tan 360 plus theta. What would be 360 plus theta?
Sir, positive.
Positive.
And tan changes into tan because it lies in the first quadrant. Now see here. Suppose you have to determine sine 150 degree. Sine 150, how can you write? You can write it as
Sir, negative.
180 में कितना subtract करें?
minus
30.
30. What will be the value? Sine
1/2.
Sine 30.
20 minus theta. You can see here.
Sir, plus 1 by
180. Listen me. 180 minus theta means theta equals to 30. So sine 30. And sine 30 is equal to 1/2. Now see here. We can determine sine 150 degree by this way also. हम इस तरीके से find out कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? We can find
Yes,
by
sir.
this way also. Sine 150 degree. यहाँ पर एंगल कैसा है? 90 plus theta, that is sine 90 में कितना ऐड करेंगे?
60.
60. So it will be cos 60 degree. क्योंकि 90 plus theta पर sine changes into what? Cos. Cos 60 degree. And cos 60 equals to how much? 1/2.
1/2.
So whether you find by this way or by this way, you can get the same value. Answer same है. So now tomorrow I will tell you, yes.